Good morning. It's our second day here in the Philippines. It's actually almost 6 o'clock in the morning. We got up really early today and we cannot sleep. So we're having a little bit of jet lag today, guys. But that's okay because I'm sure we're gonna go back to normal by tomorrow. Anyway, we're having a mango, of course, favorite in the Philippines. Star apple. And it's really good, guys. It's really sweet and it's really good. And we have ensaymada. That's the bread with cheese and butter. Really good. And of course, a small thing of the ube bread. And we're having a green tea. So I have not eaten yet, guys, because I'm gonna see if I can run this morning a little bit and then come back home, take a shower, and have a little bit of breakfast. We are supposed to be moving to a different room. This room is reserved already for today, so we're gonna have to move next door, and we're just waiting for them to let us know when we can move there once that room is clean, and then that's when we can get out and go in town. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Ayun pala eh.
Ako kukuha mo habang namimili kayo.
Ikaw nang tumawad. Hey guys, we are in the market, wet market, guys. We're getting fish. Okay. Tawaran mo na. Ah, yung pala, lansones.
Ang daw 1 kilo.
Ha? Fish. Tudingan. Sala.
400.
Ha?
435.
Ha?
430 na lang na.
Oh, ipapack mo na.
Ano? Palinis ko na. Tapos chop-chop pagbigang. Palinis ko yan.
Saka prito.
Ang bigang.
Ayan o. Paborito ni
Sama mo to.
Honey, you're stepping mo na. Remember that stuff?
Oh,
That's nice. Or you want your tacos? You're fixing your
So
tacos.
we're doing taco. We can wait, honey.
Next time na yan.
Sarap yan. Kamapit.
Can you believe we got that whole tuna for just $7.50? That's massive. It's around 5.7 to 7, about I think 5 or 7 pounds. My brother say it can go even as low as $2 when it's a season. That's so wild. Now she's slicing it up, some for frying and the rest for sinigang. If you don't know, sinigang is a traditional Filipino sour soup, and it's made with tamarind, vegetables, and either meat or you can use seafood. Super tangy and super comforting. And the dinner is gonna be amazing. I cannot wait. I remember the time when I was living in the Philippines. I used to buy this tuna, and then I will take it with me, and we'll go swimming in the beach, and we'll have this tuna and just put it on the top of the charcoal or a grill and just cook it like that, just with salt and pepper. And if you have a steamed rice, oh my gosh, it's sold for the day. That will be perfect for picnic.
Pigeli pala.
Labanos? O, lagyan mo labanos.
Labanot. Okay ba itong okra mo? Hindi ba?
Yes, okay na okay po yan. Maganda po yan.
Magkano isang tali?
10 lang po yan.
Okay. So, magkano dito ng ano?
Remember the sayote?
Oh, yeah.
Ito, yan.
Yung kangkong. Ano ba yung kangkong gamitin mo o ano?
Kangkong din.
40 na lang yan.
Kailan ng...
50 na lang.
Yung labanos.
Yes.
Tapos,
Kaya po yan, may 40. 40 na lang yun.
ito, te.
You wanna get your tomatoes?
Oh, yeah. 160 din.
Walang malalaki sibuyas.
Kaya lang. Ay, kaya lang dun.
Ano yan?
Ah.
We'll just go somewhere.
Somewhere else?
Yeah.
Ano sa'yo?
Anong sibuyas bibili mo lalaki?
Oh, yung malalaki. Oh, there's an onion there.
I'm here, ma'am. Thank you.
May bawang ka pa ba?
Wala na.
Ayun na nga, ayun na. Kumuha na siyang white onion.
Ano, kamatis. Kailan ng kamatis? Marami tayong kamatis? Kailangan ng maraming kamatis yun. Isang palok.
Hindi na yan. Okay na to. Sinigang mix. Kung bibili mo.
Ha?
Sinigang mix.
Ba't nasa sinigang mix ka? Hindi ka sampalok?
May trabaho yan. Matagal yung magawa.
Ay.
Tapos hindi mo pa matatansin. Mamaya, tayo na pupot yung pala yung
We got you 2 bags of tomatoes. Ha? Alin?
Maghanap na ako ng lito. Diba?
Oh, lettuce pa. It's so good.
Ha?
Oh, lettuce.
Turnover.
Oh, magkano lahat?
Kasama po.
Kasama.
Malaki po. Ako wala kasi po. Ano po?
Ay, kangkong. Kailan daw kailan? Siya ay magluluto eh.
Tapos kangkong. Dalawa.
Ayun, may kangkong.
Magkano yan? Teka muna, magkano yan? Isa lang, isa lang. Ito lang, marami na. Wala, ayun lang.
Magkano lahat?
480. Doon na ako binigyan ng discount. Ay, please. Sili na lang.
Siling pula? Green po? Green po?
Dadagdag ko dito. Maganda ka naman eh.
Huwag ka naman bola, ikaw naman. Thank you.
Kumita po kayo.
Oo nga pala.
Kuya,
Or do you want two?
Should be one. It's fine.
Okay, I think it's just one.
Okay,
It's
that's
just in
good.
pieces. Yeah, I think so. It's just in pieces. I don't
Magkano
know how
yan?
many is gonna eat tacos. 50.
Thank you. Ayun, meron pala oh. Oh, yun, mas maganda oh. Ah.
sabi kayo,
Pag gusto mo ng apple, magkano yung lansones niya?
Pwede na lang po yung
1/4?
150.
Well, I asked her if she's gonna eat it, then she's not gonna probably eat dinner. She can have one. Kalahati. Isang kilo? Magkano isang kilo mo?
Check ko na lang po yun sa inyo. 200 na lang po lang. Magkano yan? Don't eat it. We have to pay for it first. Magkanong kilo? 200 po, mami. 50 po ang port. Wala na bawat yan? Hindi po para walang mantones ngayon. Ay, 180 na po na ko niyan, mami. Promise.
Kala lahat.
Bali, 250 po lang.
250 lahat. Thank you.
50 po.
Alright, thank you.
Malikabok dito sa palengke.
Halika na.
Uwi tayo?
Uwi na tayo kasi yung fridge, di ba?
Dito sa sakyan. Pupuntahan natin yung
Saging, gusto yung saging?
Need to get a meat or tacos or
Saging? Magkano to?
120 sa isang kilo.
120?
Dalawang kilo po sa 120 po. 240.
isang daan na lang kilo.